people find a strange shiny stone, the first question that comes to mind is this a real rough diamond or just a fake? The truth is, identifying a raw diamond at home is possible using simple methods, but it requires attention to detail. Real diamonds have unique physical and optical properties that set them apart from common look-alike stones like quartz or glass. In this guide, you'll learn easy and practical ways to distinguish between real versus fake rough diamonds without professional tools. 1. Check the shape and edges. Real rough diamonds usually have natural crystal shapes, often cubic or octahedral. Edges are sharp but not perfectly smooth. Surface may look oily or greasy, not glassy. Fake stones, like glass, tend to look too smooth and rounded. 2. The transparency test. Place the stone over text or a line. A real diamond will not allow you to see clearly through it. A fake stone, like quartz, may appear more transparent. 3. Fog test, breath test. Breathe on the stone like you would on a mirror. Real diamond, fog disappears instantly. Fake, fog stays for a few seconds. This happens because diamonds disperse heat very quickly. 4. Scratch test, use with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. A real diamond can scratch glass easily, but don't rely only on this test, as some materials can also scratch glass. 5. Weight comparison. Diamonds are denser than many fake stones. A real diamond will feel heavier than it looks. Fake stones may feel lighter. UV light test. If you have a UV light, real diamonds often glow blue under UV light. Fake stones may not glow or show different colors. 7. Look for imperfections. Natural diamonds usually have tiny inclusions or internal flaws, slight irregularities. Perfect-looking stones are often fake. Final thoughts. While these home methods can help you get a strong idea, they are not 100% conclusive. The best way to confirm if your stone is a real rough diamond is to have it tested by a professional jeweler or gemologist. Still, by using these simple tests, you can quickly narrow down whether your stone is likely real or fake, saving time and avoiding scams.